Welcome. In this video, I'll show you 2 ways to update the Fitbit app on your iPhone. All right. So first up, go ahead and find the App Store. Okay. If you can't find it right here on your home screen, just go ahead and swipe right until you find this section or the app library. Okay. In here, you should be able to see App Store. All right. Just tap on it. Wait for it to load. The first option is by going to the top right, tap on your profile. Now, once it loads, go ahead over to Apps. And then here, just go ahead and find the Fitbit, okay? If there is an available update button in here, just go ahead and tap on it. For example, this one. This one is an update button. Just tap on it. Wait for the process to finish. And once that's done, you're good to go, okay? Another option is by manually locating the app from here in the App Store. Just go to the top and we have the search bar. Tap on it and just go ahead and type down Fitbit. All right, hit on search. There you go. Again, if there's an available update button, just tap on it, and once done, you're good to go. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.